Hey everybody, it's Neil. I've been exercising a bit lately, and so I need myself a new massage gun. My last one has been not very, didn't last long enough, and it was a big one. So I'm figuring to get myself a smaller version here that I can take with me. It's the mini massage gun, and it's by HEYCHY or HEYCHY, I don't know. But this is it here. So let's open this up, and I'll show you guys what it is here. This is supposedly their new model. It's the Cute X Mini Muscle Massager. Cute X. Oh, look at this. Okay, so box is empty, but it comes with this. Okay, this is awesome. This is perfect for me because I can leave it in my car without it getting mess everywhere. So this is what it looks like here. So you've got your device right here, and it looks like it's gonna power by USB-C. You can, not power, but it'll charge by USB-C. It's got the battery in it, and then you've got the power button on the bottom, and it comes with several different tips. I'll show you guys each of those and how I like them. See this one here, it says please remove film before use. So let's see, how do we remove, oh, there's a tab. Oh, boy, it put the film on very strongly. Okay, so there's that. I'll just show you all the rest of the stuff before I get into all the tips and things. So it comes with a little strap that I could stick on there. I guess it would just go right there, which I'll do later when I put some glasses on or something. Comes with the manual, and it comes with a couple of little extra O-rings that you have, and it comes with the charger here. It's going to charge from USB to USB-C. You have to supply your own charging block. And then we have each of the different tips that are different. We have 4 different tips, so I'll show you. So this one here is a good one for your back. So this one's good if somebody else does it to you. What's good about this too, you can do it either way. So I'll show you guys how it works here. So you push the button in, you hold it in, and then it starts going, you see, and we are on button 1, and then, I don't know if you can tell it's vibrating just because of the frame rate and stuff, but then there's 1, 2, 3 is even faster, and 4 is the fastest. And then I think if I, oh, 5, whoa, holy mackerel, that goes fast. And then it off, so it goes 5 different speeds. So this, I'm gonna tell you right now, this one isn't gonna be my favorite, this particular one, but it's good for, getting on either side of your spine or whatever, if you like that. So that's what that one's good for. So let's turn this one off now. So you hold the button down to turn it back off again. So there's this one here, which is another killer one here. This one here is to get pinpoint. So that's where if you want to get into like a certain shoulder blade or in a certain place on your leg or something like that, you could really just dig it on in there with that one there. We have this one here, which is a nice flat one here, which is, this one's kind of nice on different areas where you don't have bones, because you don't want this to hit your bone. But it's a nice, good flat area one for just getting in different areas as you go, and it would slide easier and everything like that. And then we have this one here, which is the one I like. So it's kind of got a soft ball on it, and it's just kind of a universal all-around one. Not too hard and not too, but it does have some grip to it. So it does feel good. So this is the one that I will use. I pretty much just leave this one on all the time because that's how I like it. So, I mean, I don't necessarily always do my back. I do my muscles on my legs and stuff. Depending if I bike and then everything's hurting, I can just do the different areas. So it's really good. So it's nice, and you can see I've got it on number 2. I don't know. I probably like it on number 2. As it gets too fast for me, I don't like the super fast massaging. I like the slow stuff. So I just liked it to make it feel good. So definitely nice feeling massager, and it's the HEYCHY one right there. Says it on here too. It's super comfortable, super easy to hold. It's really nice, and for a small one, it's got power. I mean, that's what I like about these ones here. This brand here, they have the ones with power, so it's as powerful as those big ones, and it's just smaller. And the battery lasts a really long time. I mean, you hardly ever have to charge it, but definitely awesome. Thumbs up from me on this. Pick up one of these, and you'll be happy about it.